हरिः कन्ना।
So then we will look into what is the population in market research. So, what exactly mean a population? As per the definition, if you go with the book definition, so the population in research is a complete set of elements with a standard parameter between them. So this is known as a population. So, population in research is a complete set of elements that a standard parameter between them. So, we are all aware of what the word population means daily. So, frequently it is used to describe the human population or the total number of people living in a geographic area of our country or state. So the population in research does not necessarily have to be human. It can be any parameter of data that possesses a common trait. So example, the total number of pet stores on Sunset Boulevard in Los Angeles, California, or the total number of KFC stores in Bengaluru. So, so if you keep it simple, a population is a complete set of elements or entities with a common trait. So it can be any parameter of a data that possess a common trait. So that's what the population can consist of any entity. It could be human, it could be animal, or it could be any object or stores or shopping malls or teams. So it could be anything, but an entity which have some common parameters or common traits, they all can put into a single category is known as a population.